All right, so this is eSkateCon. This is an electric skateboard conference, but it's so much more than that. It's like races, it's group rides, it's networking with different board manufacturers all across the world. Just people here having a great time. Scott Davies! Basically, on this video, I want to show you what it's about. Like, just show you what it's kind of like. So if you want to do this next year, you can check it out, and it's very fun. It doesn't get cooler than that.
Black.
So we all came out to Las Vegas, and although the conference starts on the weekend, the group rides start on Wednesday. With a big sponsor from MEEPO, who also let me borrow their board, the Hurricane Bamboo, to ride around on some of the group rides, which, by the way, is amazing. With a top speed of 32 miles per hour, dual 3,500 watt motors, an ultra long range up to 31 miles, and a bamboo deck that is very comfortable to stand on for long periods of time. And this was an absolute pleasure to ride on some of the coolest group rides I've ever been on. And if you want to learn more about this board, I'll put a link down in the description. This is awesome. Wow, Vegas! The first group ride was more of an impromptu get-together. A small ride to the place where we're meeting everyone to do a longer ride, and that was a blast right there.
100 people.
That was so fun. With over 100 people on skateboards, scooters, EUCs, one wheels, and whatever the heck this thing is. I mean, gotta love it. That looks awesome. All right, this is like full-on Mario Kart vibes. We took that first ride, and I'm on the MEEPO, and my wife Emma is also here, and she's on the Kuroma scooter. And this was a fun ride.
Those of us who are about to die, we salute you.
Like, I've never been on streets like this, running red lights, going through malls, and just keeping up with everybody else. It was insane, but it was also really organized well. So, we're halfway through the ride, maybe. I don't know. Emma, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
This is actually incredible. Look at all these people. That was incredible. Like, that was wild. And we're gonna do this again tomorrow at the Red Rocks, so stay tuned. We are now at Red Rocks. This is gonna be the ride of a lifetime here.
Hey, Danny Black.
Hey, Scott Davies, thanks for putting me in your vlog.
Black. Red Rock Canyon. Would you believe it? The rocks are red.
Oh my gosh, they're the Red Rocks. I was wondering where they were. So this is an incredible 12-mile loop, and although it might look crowded at some times, because everybody kind of goes at their own speed, there's plenty of times and opportunities to feel more alone. Going pretty fast down these hills, very sturdy board. I do like that a lot. These wheels are nice and soft on this pavement. And this is probably some of the fastest speeds I've ever been on with an electric skateboard. And as fast as I was going, there are still people that are just flying by like no problems. Yeah, I'm not gonna go that fast. I'm just not there yet. But this is a place where you don't necessarily need to be super fast, because then you can enjoy the view a little bit more. This is absolutely incredible. This ride is insane. Just looking around, like, I'm talking to the camera now, but I am definitely enjoying this moment. I'm on a skateboard going through this amazing place. Did you have fun? Yes, you did. This is the end. We made it back. We did the full loop, no problems. So fun. Thank you, MEEPO, for the board to test out and do this. It has been amazing. Love this thing, a Hurricane. Woo! And so that's Thursday, and the races start up on Friday, where also people will meet up and start the conference. They'll try out different boards, and this happens throughout the whole weekend. All right, so we're at the eSkateCon convention here. There's races going on over here, and but it's a great way to connect and make new friends from all over the world who come here and just have a great love and great vibe of anything electric. But the big group ride happens on Saturday night. Scott Davies, what are we doing tonight?
Woo! We're gonna cause ruckus.
Today is the Las Vegas Strip ride.
I'm gonna party with the real Mr. Black.
Oh,
This will be fun.
come on, I want to hear you be psyched.
Psyched! Let's go!
And that's where we ride with like 600 people down the strip. This is how it starts. We got to start all the way up in downtown Vegas. We're gonna go all the way to the strip. And I'm still on the MEEPO. Emma is on the Unagi Voyager. And my dad, who loves to scoot, also came out and got to experience this. And let's just say this was a one-of-a-kind experience for him that he'll never forget, and I'll never forget.
This is smooth.
Now, we didn't go all the way down the strip, which was slightly disappointing, but with 600 people, we needed to divert because we were holding up traffic like a lot. So I get it. But overall, just an amazing experience.
Racers ready! Stand by!
On the last day of the conference, we watched the final races, see who wins in the different categories, and we say bye to the friends that we just made and hope to see them again next year. But overall, this was something that I really wanted to do. Yeah! That's awesome. And just experience those group rides and feel that awesome vibe of an encouraging and enthusiastic community. Thanks again for watching and supporting the channel. There's a lot more cool content happening, so stay tuned. And if you want to watch another cool e-skate video, check this one right out here in front of my face, maybe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.